May pag-asa ba ako? Mukha kang...
If you understand my music, you understand me.
Ano nga ulit yung kanta natin, guys? Burat ng burat. Ano nga yun? Mukha kang burat. Ano nga yun? Burat. Bastos. Ilong mo'y mabantot, mukha kang panot, at amoy kang utot.
Don't listen to the music. Feel it.
Mukha kang ay, ilong mo'y
Ready for
mabantot,
all challenges.
ika'y panot, amoy putot. Ilong mo'y
I'm beginning to
mabantot,
feel like a rap god.
ika'y panot, at mukha kang utot.
Rapping is what I do for life.
Don't stay awake.
Follow your heart. And be proud of it.
Grabe ang galing kumanta. Grabe talaga ako kumanta. Kita niyo yung guys nag-lag, napakabastos. Sasabihan tayo ng reason niya. Hindi ako nagre-reason guys. Kitang-kita nyo naman, naka-video ako, di ba? Naka-video ako.
Rap is born in sensibility, not in mind.
Make me a coffee, make me know.
I own the stage. Mind your own business.
Kung sinisipa ng kulap, daming humahabol kay Case As.
Listen to the music. Feel it.
Kaya guys, kung gusto nyo ng
Rapping is what I do for
skin na
life.
burat, may pagmumbiwang sa akin at mag-subscribe. Because, namimigay ako ng skin at diamonds. Hindi ako namimigay ng
I
Diyos. Kailangan ko
own
bakit
the
ako.
stage.
Ang daming umahabol kay hinahanap kong location.
Rap is born in sensibility, not in mind.
Kape! Sige, kape.
All good rap songs rhyme.
Ano, kape? Sayang. Hindi ko na dodge.
Let the words and punches flow. Mind your own business.
Parang sa pagkakas ko. Para sa nga bumabangon.
Ready for all challenges.
Di ko alam kung ka na. Guys, naglalag. Ay, naku, para saan ba yung flicker mo, idol? Wala naman napakalas.
If you understand my music, you understand me. I'm just awesome. My music is my attitude. Rap is born in sensibility, not in the power of rap.
Off, layo na, baka makita. Kaya sabi sa inyo, sisita yan. Pero ngayon,
Mind your own business.
off,
Daming umabagay, check lang. Ay, nako.
My music is my attitude.
May pag-aba ko.
Our turret is under attack.
Ay, nako. May pag-aba ko.
Follow your heart and be proud of it.
Ay, nako. May pag-aba ko.
I own the stage.
Kaway panot, mukha kang kupot.
If you understand my music, you understand me.
Mega kills.
Let the words and punches flow.
Slowan.
Ready for all challenge. All good rap songs rhyme. I'm beginning to feel like a rap god. Power of rap.
joke lang idol.
Patay ako idol. Pero,
Rap is born in sensibility. Oh.
ay nako, may pag-asa pa ako.
Ay, ganun man.
If you understand my music, you understand